Divine Tea with Luna. So, keeping up with our oracle messages, this message is for our dear Libras because we're doing air signs right now and I'm doing live shuffle. So, okay, this card really wants to come out. Consulting expert. Let's see. Let's see because we need to get the tarot and everything also. Okay, consult an expert. That's already the first message, and why it is that I don't know. And have faith. Okay, this is nice. Positive energy again. Okay, wow, heat in this part of the world is crazy with the humidity. I'm like, here, go back. Okay, so right at the beginning we see we see. I never used to say we see. Why did I say we see? Okay, if spirit wants to go that way, we see, me and spirit, that you are confused regarding something right about now. Unclear, foggy, misty skies ahead. You have been asked to consult an expert on the matter that is making you so doubtful and confused. So, and don't worry because a helpful person is on the cards for you. And not only that, you have been asked to consult an expert. Okay, spirit, 3 cards. And you're also been asked to let others help you, because your prayers are also manifesting. You need some kind of a healthcare change in your life. You would also be getting certain heavenly signs, so don't worry about it. And I feel some kind of a moving, some kind of change in your life right about. Okay, and consult an expert. Let's see what the tarot has to say for you. Yeah, so be on the lookout for signs, like if you see animals which you never see before, or like for example, if you see spiders, don't be always so scared of spiders. Not all of them are poisonous. Why am I advocating for the spiders? But yeah, okay. So they can mean a lot of things, but they mean creativity, spinning, like creating your surroundings and environment, or having a heavy say in how you're creating your environment. It's about creativity, it's about expansion, it's about understanding that everything is connected. But black spiders also mean beware of betrayals, because that's a big sign. Okay, let's see the tarot now. Three cards, spirit. We have King of Cups reversed, so maybe you're confused because some kind of a person in an authority position is denying that help to you, or is not available. They're holding back. I do see celebrations on the card. It's about coming together and celebrating, or 3 women can be very important in your life. You've also got 8 of Pentacles reversed, so yeah, a lot of things here and there. Okay, so you are being asked to, to let things flow a little bit. It's not always about how you feel and how you think, right? It's also about other things. I mean, it's not only about your effort all the time or your emotions all the time. It is also sometimes how universe chooses to deal with things. and there are certain divine interventions that you cannot do anything about, right? And that's about it. So spirit is very, very vehemently asking you to have faith in the fact that things are going to work out. But yes, keep a lookout for changes around you, because I feel that is something that's going to happen.
Okay.
And also I feel that it's getting a little hard for you to trust right about now, because somebody, you've just recently understood that somebody, some person in the authority position has been manipulating you, or have not had the best intentions for you. They have been moody about the way they treat you, and this might also lead you to be confused about many things. Alternatively, I also see you going crazy about perfectionism in the work that you do. And yeah, you are just hoping, you're just trying to be since this authority position in your life, that is a big thing. Let me just a second, let me just channel. There's some message that is trying to come through. uh, you might be distrustful of this person, but spirit is asking you to trust them, but it is not without logic. Like, don't trust them if they are completely illogical, or what they are saying is actually going to be harmful for you, and you know that. Okay, don't do that. You have to have discernment. Next, what I do feel that there is some misdirected activity that is going on around you, and you might be like, f this thing, let's go celebrate, or somebody around you might be saying that. So be a little cautious about that. Look out for signs. Right now, the biggest messages that I'm getting is discernment. Look out for messages. You might even end up changing jobs, or this might not just be related to jobs, this might also be related to family. So maybe your father or your mother, grandfather, grandmother, they are doing some kind of thing with you or your family. So keep a lookout for that. I'm just gonna pull a clarifier as to why is King of Cups in reversed here. Queen of Wands, because somebody is not being themselves. Oh, yeah. So I feel this card is you, Queen of Wands. It's not that if you're a male watching this, you will be Queen of Wands. What it just is trying to say is that you are not stepping into your roles completely, and it can also mean that you're not voicing your opinions, or you have kind of isolated yourself, because Queen of Wands is all about socializing and being the social butterfly and all of that. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing for you, my dear Libras. That's it for your oracles. If you like the message, stay tuned and subscribe to this growing family. Thank you.